Hello there and welcome to module number 1. In this quick introduction video, we are going to be briefly seeing the contents you can expect to find on this first module. The first trading strategy we are going to be looking into is actually swing trading, which is one of the most, let's say, commonly traded or more widely spread trading strategies out there, but it's actually one of the most profitable ones. Every professional trader that I know integrates or implements the concepts of swing trading into their own daily trading routine, just because it's one of the most efficient ways of trading. Let me explain what I mean by efficient. Now, this is supposed to be a river. Please spare with my Microsoft Paint skills. Anyway, this is supposed to be a river, like I say, and let's assume the current flow is to obviously downstream. There are three possible ways of swimming in any river, right? You can swim in the direction of the flow, you can swim against the flow, or you can swim from one bank to the other one, right? From one side of the river to the other one, back and forth. So those are the three ways of swimming in any river, and actually there are also, most of the times, three ways of trading when it comes to Forex markets. You can swim in the direction of the flow, which is swing trading. That's what we are going to be seeing, what we are going to be studying on this first module. You can swim against the flow. That's counter trend trading. We are going to leave that for a future module because it's actually much more difficult than swing trading, and in fact it's less efficient. But anyway, I'm just going to leave that for another module. And finally, you can swim back and forth from one side of the river to the other one. That's range trading, or basically trading when the market is actually moving sideways, when the market doesn't quite show any given directional bias, either to the upside or to the downside, and basically the market is moving within sideways ranges. Okay, that's what's usually called in the Forex lingo range trading. And again, we are going to leave that for a future module because again, it's a little bit more of an advanced trading strategy. In this first module, we are just going to be focusing on swimming in the direction of the current market flow. As you know, the markets move in swings. They move in a waving pattern. In this case, in an upswinging price formation, meaning in an uptrending price formation, we are going to be looking to trade as swing traders this part of the swing, meaning the up thrusts. Okay, we are going to be trading, thrusts in the direction of the trend. Now, the best way to trade swings in the direction of the trend is to focus on the middle part of the swing. Okay, we are not going to be actually searching to exploit the entire swing from the very beginning to the swing until the very end, until the exhaustion point of the swing. We are going to be focusing on the middle part of each individual swing, always in the direction of the trend, because these are first of all, the easier parts to trade, let's say the easier part to profit from, and second, the middle part of each swing is always the one showing the lowest risk ratios. Okay, when I repeat that, the middle part of each swing not only is the easier part to profit from, but also is the one that usually keeps the risk ratios to the most, let's say, acceptable levels. Okay. Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself. We are going to be digging into risk management quite in detail in future videos in this first module. But nonetheless, I want you to remember the few key lines as far as swing trading goes. First of all, you need to have a solid directional bias, either to the downside or to the upside. In this case, in this example, is to the upside, but you need to have a solid trend before you can actually search for trading opportunities. Second, we are only going to be searching for thrusts, for moves, for trades in the direction of the overall market trend. And third, we are going to be focusing only and exclusively on the middle part of each swing, okay, of each up thrust. Now that's what swing trading is all about in a nutshell. Obviously there is much more to it, and that's exactly what we are going to be looking into in the upcoming videos. So let's get going.